Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Copyright disclaimer: under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explain how to increase followers on Instagram. You need to follow some steps. Step 1, open your browser, click in Hiketop Application. The next step is open I have earned 16.8 diamonds. Now if you want to earn more, you need to follow. Click enter top. Now open again your Instagram. Click if you want your picture to earn some likers. Now you're looking. I have 4 likes in my photo. Thanks guys for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe us if you want more tips for Android.